Hello, today I'm just bought a new CBN wheel for my bench grinder and I want to install it. I'm going to show you how to do that, make it run true, as true as you can. And it's a reasonable priced one that runs really great and does the job perfectly. I have a CBN wheel on it already and I want to add another one because CBN wheel doesn't need to be dressed, it just works. And it keeps grinding for years. So this is how we do it and how we balance it. It needs to be balanced, otherwise this machine's going to run horribly. So first of all, we're just going to remove the tool wrist I have there, some pliers to help me remove the nut. We need to take this nut off. These are parallel pliers, so they work just as well as a normal wrench. So we're just going to do that, and I never can remember if this is clockwise or counterclockwise. So this is clockwise, the other one should be counterclockwise. So we take this off, and we don't need this anymore. And this is a bit sticky, and there you go. These are bushings specially made for the stone that I'm going to use. They've been machined, so they should fit this machine rather well. You can see there's a bit of it's not going well over, and which means because I have markings here, I need to file them out. So with the sandpaper, we just sand this a little bit. If you're feeling sketchy, you can just run the machine a little bit and just get that out. I just need to stop the machine. There you go. And let's see if the bushing will fit over. It does. And these bushings are really good. So first, I have a spacer because that will help me. And then we put this bushing. And then we take the brand new CBN wheel. You want a CBN wheel on this type of machine because CBN is ceramic coated, right? And ceramic coated can take the heat and the carbon that's released from the steel, because as a wood turner we use carbon steel. And this is a 400 grit CBN wheel. Yeah, there you go. It's a 400 grit, same as I have on the other side, and it just works really well for me. Shift my setup every time I need to do a different grind. I have two different grinds to do, or three actually. One is the setup that I use with this bar over here for my Tomic systems, for my gouges, and I have one for my roughing gouge, and one for my skew. So first of all, we're just gonna tighten this up. This is not, I don't expect this to run straight, to be honest. There you go. You don't need to tighten it too much, right? You just have to be tight, not over tighten it, because there's really no need for that. There you go. Right, why I'm putting this back is because I'm going to use this to make sure that my stone runs true, right? It's probably always going to be a little bit of play. So how are we going to figure out how much play there is and to which side is running? It should run true this direction, right? Forth and back. But sideways is normally always a little bit of a challenge. So I need a little bit of tissue because this has some oil residue from production on it. It's normal. I have a pencil. This is not sharp, but it will be sharp in a second. Just now I'm going to turn it off just a second. On for just a second, sorry. That's not a lot. And now I take the pencil and just offer it up to the stone. And you can, as soon as you can hear it chatting a little bit, now you know. You touch it and just make the line. Probably should use a marker luckily, Tormek has provided one for me. Right, so let's just go. You can see the line is really dark here and really light here, which means this side is a bit further this way than this side. So the stone is tilting a little bit like this. Right. To fix this, a bit of tape, because that will make it easy and it will stick, and that'll be good. Now we have this. All we need to do is put a bit of tape here on the inside. Right, I don't know. Yeah, we're going to put it in here. So between the bushing and the stone, I'm going to put a little bit of tape. To do that, I need to loosen the screw a little bit. And that was the other way. Be careful, don't loosen it too much, and don't turn the bushing. So you need to put a hand on the bushing. Right, and now I know on this side here, when it was going that way, I need to put a little bit of tape between the bushing and the stone. And because I haven't moved the bushing, it should help. So it's really difficult, this, but you know, it shouldn't take that much more than a little bit of tape, and then we tighten the screw back down. Right, so tighten the screw down. Oops. Like this. We just start it up again, give it some RPMs, turn it off, because we don't need a lot, and we can make another line. Slowly moving it closer to the side of the stone, and then we stop it. It's really close, because I only just touch with a little bit. I think that's the best we can get. So we just take our scorching blade, our blade, and cut the excess off. Because that tape doesn't need to be there. Well, that's gone. This, and then we should have a machine that runs without too much vibration, like really close. A little bit of startup, but other than that, it's running rather good. But yeah, there you have it. That's how you make your bench grinder run without vibrations. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please consider leaving me a like. I really would be happy if you would subscribe. I make a lot more videos than just this. So yeah, thank you for watching. You have a nice day, and thank you.